Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into Oracle Cloud app on mobile step by step clearly. Open your mobile device. Locate and tap the Oracle Cloud app icon on your home screen. If you haven't downloaded the app yet, go to your device's app store. Search for Oracle Cloud and download the app. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. You will see the login screen appear. Enter your Oracle Cloud username in the first input field. Next, type in your password in the second field. If your organization uses a unique tenant name, ensure you input it in the tenant field. Check that your login credentials are entered correctly. Once you've verified, tap the Sign In button. Wait for the app to process your login request. If the information is correct, you will be redirected to the main dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check your username and password. For additional assistance, tap on the Need Help option. You can reset your password or receive further guidance. Congratulations, you are now logged into the Oracle Cloud app. Explore the features and tools available at your fingertips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.